Introducing an innovative system designed specifically for using condensation of moisture from the air in arid areas. This device is also capable of cooling the air in rooms and greenhouses, and by installing Peltier elements on the lids of the system, it is possible to utilize temperature differences to generate electricity. The system prototype is made of simple and affordable materials, including PVC pipes, which ensures quick and easy installation. The simplicity of the design allows the system to be assembled and installed in just one day. The operating principle of the system is based on the efficient use of solar energy. Hot air flows up an inclined pipe heated by the sun and then enters a buried pipe where it is cooled, creating a vacuum effect and providing reactive thrust. The calculations demonstrate that this system is capable of producing significant volumes of water during the solar period, as well as providing effective cooling of indoor air. The technological capabilities of the device can successfully solve the problem of watering plants in arid desert areas and effectively prevent soil erosion. Detailed information with calculations and additional data can be found in the description.